The announcer steps up to the plate. It's the bottom of the ninth. Bases are loaded. The dancing hot dog readies the pitch. Can he be the hero and win his team the pennant? Ow! Hey! Ow! 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 That hurt! Ow! I just got hit by the pitch. What happens now? Big laundry. Because my pen pal from Japan helps fill in for her mother at the inn they run, she's often wearing a specific type of traditional clothing. It's also the national dress of the country. What is it? Math Zone. This ancient moai head, straight from Easter Island, is an ancient statue. My foot. Order of operations is a set of rules dictating which parts of a math equation to solve in sequence. Do you know what part of this question you would need to tackle first? That's just plain wrong. Science rules. Chemical elements are all made up of atoms. Well, everything's made up of atoms, but still, what sets one chemical element apart from another one if they're both made up of atoms? Big oof. Shovelware Studios. If you've played a shovelware game, you should know this one. Press the blank to double jump. Come on, let me hear ya. Sure, whatever. Math Zone.
What is 36 plus 4?
Math Zone.
What is 37 minus 12?
Hey, that works for me. Memorable events. Straight from the Sunday Funnies, it's that wacky cat Garfunkel and his owner Simon. Enjoy this 4-panel comic about that linguine-loving feline who just can't stand Sundays. Meticulously cut out of last week's newspaper, this prize is perfect for pinning to your fridge with a magnet. 14th and 15th century Europe was defined by a lengthy war between France and England. Dubbed by historians as the 100 Years' War, this struggle for the respective countries' thrones led to the longest recorded conflict in European history. How many years did this war actually last? Monumental landmarks. I'm trying to pawn off a large chunk of limestone. What missing piece of the Great Sphinx of Giza's face should I claim it to be if I want to sell it to a museum? Math Zone. Train A leaves New York City at 3 p.m., headed southbound towards Washington, D.C. Another train, Train B, leaves Miami, Florida at 4:30 p.m. and heads north on the same line. Assuming Train A is moving at 75 miles per hour and Train B is moving at 86 miles per hour, if both trains get exponentially faster every 15.25 minutes as long as they're within U.S. states that border the Pacific Ocean, the weather conditions are fair within 3 miles of Train A, and it's not a leap year or after 7 p.m. on a weeknight, and Train B isn't currently traveling through a town with no name, what is 150 divided by 5? That's gonna have to be a no for me, dog. Big laundry. I'm gonna go pop some tags. Alas, I only have $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for the name of a charitable clothing store that specializes in hand-me-down donations. What is it called? From Has-Been Gaming, it's the Shovelware's Brain Game Home version. This deluxe board and card game kit includes an intricately detailed recreation of the Brain Game set, a complete set of questions and their answers, 6 player tokens, and even your very own miniature audience. Get the whole family involved in a fun, exciting, and most importantly, edutaining game of Shovelware's Brain Game, right from the comfort of your very own living room. Congratulations! You're the winner of Shovelware's Brain Game! That's all the time we have. If anyone needs me, I'll be sleeping in my car until we start filming the next episode. Shovelware's Brain Game is brought to you by the pyramid scheme I fell for last week. If I can even just get like 3 of you to sign up for whatever it is I'm supposed to be peddling, that'd be great.